What up, y'all? So it is James. We back with another video today. Today is Thursday, 6 in the morning, New York session. We is with the Telegram right now. Just gave them the setups that played out last night during London. So we check out the GJ. GJ played out, blew through our major level, came down to our major lows. TP smash, EU, target got smashed. Target got smashed and continued to dump to the lows for AU, for gold. Gold rejected, filled the gap. Now we can possibly see these safe buys play out within 7 o'clock, so maybe we'll be able to catch those. And as for SPX, we did hit target multiple times and now we're just ranging. So at the end of the day, guys, we broke down all these trades and this was the setup. So like I said, join the Telegram. At the end of the day, guys, join the Telegram. The link will be in the description, and let's start this Telegram call. So as I just told the Telegram before we start the call, we do got news at 7, so it's US related, but it is a yellow folder, so we will trade this. So red folders we stay away from, remember, new traders. But other than that, gotta let the Telegram know. So yeah, let's get a look at these trades. Looking for gold. Gold might be able to get those safe buys. So at the end of the day, we just waiting. So right now, as I go over what we're basically looking at for gold, we seen that gold had the rejection here. We couldn't break below, so this lets me know market was gonna shift. So we seen the uptrend happen. We had our gap fill here. Gap got filled. Safe buys above this area. Right now we're trying to break through it. We still got 10 minutes for the next 1 hour, so hopefully this 1 hour stays above. Then we'll try to target this 4 hour here. And yeah, that's a nice little one-to-one trade. Like I tell all you guys, learn to catch those one-to-ones at the beginning of your trading journey, because those one-to-ones will help you compound your account and give you more leverage to then trade higher pairs. If anybody trades Bitcoin, Bitcoin came all the way back down to my equal lows. So we had to break out and all the way back down. So Bitcoin is at that 92,000. So we could see the retracement here to pump back up. But with all that stuff going on in California, we don't know what is going to happen. So at the end of the day, all we can do is wait. We are still with the Telegram. And yeah, we're waiting for that gold trade to play out. Right now, we're still waiting for that next 30-minute candle, so then we could break above and then catch TP here. But we still got about like 20 minutes for the next 30-minute candle, so we waiting, y'all. So like I was telling the Telegram right now, the reason why I see us still being bullish is because we're making good market structure. Here we have a high, here we have a higher low, which was the rejection. Here we have another high, here we have a higher low, here we have a high. We might create another low here at this area to then pump up and then catch TP here. So this is what we're waiting for with the Telegram, but at the end of the day, we're creating good market structure to the upside. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, possibly higher low to then continue our bull run. Like I said, we are trading gold, so we see a potential setup coming in the next 30-minute candle frame, so we're just waiting. So here would be the retest for buyers. That's what we're waiting for. Here would be the market making that higher low to then create a new higher high. So we can't break this low here or this low. Then I'll start to shift the market. Then we'll come back to the downside. These arrows are the ones that we would target for sellers if we break this level here. So at the end of the day, we waiting, y'all. We being patient. Trading is 90% waiting, 10% taking action. So if you're a person that doesn't have patience or wants to rush process, the choice is yours. But at the end of the day, you need to learn to wait for your setup, you guys. All this markup I have for a reason. Is basically telling me to wait for my trade. There's no reason for me to trade anything inside the black areas. I'm waiting for it to break above or break through one of these major key levels that I have. So at the end of the day, I trade market structure, which is higher highs, higher lows. I trade fair value gaps, I trade trend lines, and I trade breakouts. So the more confluences, the more better, because then I get to know I'm taking an A+ setup instead of me just trying to force trades and lose money. Because at the end of the day, we want to preserve capital for the long term and for the long run. So at the end of the day, guys, the choice is yours. Put in the work, lock in, give trading 6 months to a year, and see what it could do for you. But we're going to still be in this Telegram, y'all. So at the end of the day, there's people doing their little setups, their little breakdowns. I did mine. So join the Telegram. Still in the markets, y'all. We still in the markets. Anybody in California, LA, I know you guys are going through some stuff, but all that little pandemic you guys are helping, that's going to help the market. So when there's pandemics or something as bad is happening in the world, for the market, it is good for us. If you want to learn more about that, join the Telegram, you guys, Bullish Gods Lobby. I'll be able to tell you guys about life tips, psychology, mindset, not just trading. So we're going to get back into it. We's back at the house. I did get tapped in while I was taking my kid to school. So we is in. I posted it in the Telegram, got tapped in. So now we're just waiting, y'all. See if we can play out. This is going to be a 1 to 2 trade. So let's see if we can catch this target here. This is still a gap here that has to get filled. So let's just see what happens, y'all. Right now I'm on the 30-minute frame. So I did get tapped in, like I told the group. So now we're just being patient and waiting. So the same way we were patient for our trade, the same way we're going to be patient letting this trade play out. So at the end of the day, all you can do is sit on your hands and wait. Once you're in the position, you either let it hit stop loss, or you either let it hit TP, or cut your losses short. So the choice is your guys' is. Everyone trades different, but at the end of the day, we all look at the market, which is the same thing. So my guys trading futures gold. I'm looking to trade regular gold. If you guys don't know the difference, tap in with the Telegram. We'll be able to help you with that. But now we're just waiting, y'all. So it's just a waiting game at this point. So it is 7:50 now. So we've been on about for like almost an hour already. So that's trading, y'all. Trading is a waiting game. So if you can't be patient, learn to be patient first before you try to get into this. Look at, we using profit now. So at the end of the day, we'll let you know what happens to the trade, and do something productive. Make sure y'all do something productive. Don't be sitting on your ass. It's 2025. Do something. Learn the skill. Look at me. We putting in work. We here. California is going through an apocalypse, but at the end of the day, we still here. So when I learned how to trade, it was during COVID, during 2020. Right now, we're going through another little pandemic crap, all that stuff. So this is your guys' opportunity to learn a skill that can change your life. Lock in, give trading 6 months to a year, see if it's for you. If it's not, then you go try something else, as long as you tried. So that's what I tell everyone in the Telegram group. And yeah, so we just waiting, y'all. All right, y'all, so we still are in this gold trade right here. I just showed them that I'm going to be cutting my losses short here at this candle here. So I'm not going to let it fully hit stop loss. And then we have a nice little trend line right now. We're just having this as a confluence to let us know if we break above, then we would put our stop. We're going to be hitting our stop loss to break even here. Once we pass this level, this will be a 1 to 1. This is going to be a 1 to 2. So overall, this is a 1 to 2 trade. At the end of the day, if market comes to a 1 to 1, we could take partials there or fully just get out the trade. But at the end of the day, it's better to have a good risk management, good discipline. This is what we're having right now. We're being patient. We already know where to cut our losses short. We have our TP1, TP2. We have our stop loss to break even for a risk-free trade. So everything here is key, guys. You want to have a good setup like this. You want to have your target points. You want to have your stop loss, your mental stop loss. All that comes into play. Like I said, you need risk management, discipline, and psychology, and good mindset to become a profitable trader, you guys. So stick to it and learn the process of trading, y'all. Learn the process. But yeah, learn the process of trading. Yep, it's almost about to be 9, so next 30-minute candle is there. At the end of the day, you don't want to be greedy. We want to take what the market gives you, even if it's not a full 1 to 1, but you're still up good profits. Take it, because at the end of the day, those little profits are going to help you compound your account to then have more leverage, to then trade more pairs with higher leverage. So at the end of the day, if you guys want to learn about leverage, spread, volume, risk management, all of that good stuff, make sure you guys tap in with the Bullish Gods Lobby. Right now, we got 2 people on right now. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how many people are on right now, because that just shows they consistent. One of them is working, one of them just got out of work. So they both locked in. They being consistent. They having good discipline. We're learning to wait for our trade setups. They got their trade setups there. And yeah, y'all, what's the point of you guys waiting? Do something now. Change your life. It's 2025. So if you want to be a part of the rat race forever, that is on you. But at the end of the day, trading is here. I have videos on YouTube. I got the Telegram. Take advantage of it, y'all. And don't sleep. So, y'all, market hit my mental stop loss. So we did get out. market hit my mental stop loss. I cut my losses short. That's how I like to trade, but at the end of the day, it be like that. You win some, you lose some. It's a part of trading. It's just a lesson to learn from. But at the end of the day, we still marked up, did what we had to do. We were still in the market. We still was disciplined, and we managed good risk, because at the end of the day, we cut our losses short. So at the end of the day, that's a dub for me. Doesn't matter if it was a loss, it still count that as a dub, because that's a lesson to learn from. So right now we're just waiting for the rest of them to see what they gonna do. But as of for me, I'm getting off of this. So yeah, we'll continue the video though. All right, y'all, so we did end the call right now. It is 9:20, so the guys got off. We did take that little L today, but at the end of days, it be like that. Not every day is gonna be a winning day. Not every day is gonna be a losing day. So we just gotta learn from our losses, learn to journal our mistakes, so then they don't happen again. But in that, you guys, I gave you guys a little breakdown that we did, and I showed you guys that London Sessions trade, it did hit. So at the end of the day, I'll count that as a dub, even if I wasn't in the trade, because Telegram was able to catch those dubs, so they made money. That just lets me know the signals I gave out for them, it came into play. So at the end of the day, I don't take one L as something bad. I like to calculate my wins and losses at the end of the month. So it's better to have a good risk reward at the end of the month, or every week, every 2 weeks, like a job would do, than you try to just go off of what happened during that day. Because if it's Monday and you took a L, Tuesday, your mind is gonna think you have to make the money back, but in reality, your broker doesn't even care. So if you guys want to learn more about trading, you guys tap in with the Telegram group. The link will be in the description. So like I said, it is $10, but at the end of the day, you guys spend $10 on DoorDash, Netflix, all these other subscriptions. So just sacrifice that for at least a couple months, learn to trade, and see what trading could do for your life. So at the end of the day, I learned how to trade during COVID, during 2020. Look at me now. I got students. I moved from California to Arizona. So people that are going through all that stuff right now in California, maybe this is something that you guys could do. Learn how to trade, because I learned how to trade when I had no job because of COVID. People in California, right, LA, all those fires are going on. So people are going to be losing jobs. People are going to need money basically again. So at the end of the day, this is a skill that could change your life. This is not just a hobby. This is actually a career, a business. At the end of the day, just take it as however you want. Me, I'm taking it as a business, and I'm taking it as where I could show people financial freedom. So the choice is your guys'. I'm James. This is Bullish God's Lobby, and you make sure you guys have a good rest of the week. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.